Hi dear children, welcome back to our chemistry class. Last class what we study? We study the compounds, characteristics of compounds. Today we are going to discuss about atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules. What is atom? Who discovered atom? Atom discovered by John Dalton. Okay, atom discovered by John Dalton. What is atom? Atom is the smallest unit of element. Atom is the smallest unit of element. Atom is the smallest. Atom is indivisible. Okay, atom indivisible unit. We cannot break that atom. Okay, atom is the smallest unit of matter and which exhibit all the properties of element. Next, molecules. Molecule is also a very small unit of element or compounds. Okay, which exhibit all the properties of elements or compounds. And one more thing, molecules are divisible into atoms. Molecule is the smallest unit of atom or element or compounds which exhibit all the properties of element or compounds. Okay, molecules are divisible into atoms. Is it clear? These molecules, how we can prepare? That is, molecule of element is there, molecule of compound is there. I told what is atom? Atom is the smallest unit of element. That is indivisible unit of element. Okay, atom is the smallest unit of indivisible unit of element. Okay, molecule is also a smallest unit. We can divisible it. So molecule of element means when two or more atom, two or more same element combine to form molecule. Okay, molecule of an element. For example, oxygen atom. Oxygen is an element. This oxygen combine with another oxygen atom. Okay, two or more elements, same elements combine to form oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule. That means same way we can do hydrogen is combined with same element of hydrogen to form hydrogen molecule. Okay, this is the molecule of an element. Is it clear? That is two oxygen atom. Okay, two atom of oxygen atom combined to form one molecule of oxygen. And two atom of hydrogen atom combines to form one molecule of hydrogen. Three atom of oxygen combine to form one molecule of ozone. Ozone is O3. Okay, ozone. So three atom of oxygen combine to form one molecule of ozone. Two atom of oxygen combine to form one molecule of oxygen. Two atom of hydrogen combine to form one molecule of hydrogen. Next, molecule of compounds. That is when two or more elements combine to form molecule of compound. Two or more elements combine to form molecule of compound. For example, hydrogen, two hydrogen combine with one oxygen. Two hydrogen combine with one oxygen to form water. One molecule of water compound is formed. Okay, one molecule of water compound is formed. Same way, hydrogen is an atom is combined with another chlorine atom to form hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. Same way, one carbon atom combine with two oxygen atom to form carbon dioxide. To form carbon dioxide, it is a molecule of compound. Carbon dioxide is a molecule of compound. Is it clear? The molecule of an element or compounds can be represented by a formula. Okay, molecule of an element or compound can be represented by a formula. നമുക്കൊരു ഈ ഒരു എലമെന്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കോമ്പൗണ്ട് നമുക്കൊരു ഫോർമുലയുടെ രൂപത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, ദ മോളിക്യൂൾ ഓഫ് ആൻ എലമെന്റ് ഓർ കോമ്പൗണ്ട് ക്യാൻ ബി റെപ്രസെന്റഡ് ബൈ എ ഫോർമുല. സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഫോർമുല? Formula is a symbolic representation of molecule of compound. Okay, what is formula? Formula is a symbolic representation of molecule of a compound, or a symbolic representation, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ shortest way, a short way of represent. That is a formula. Formula is a symbolic representation of molecule of compound. This molecule of compounds, these molecules are divided into 4: monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, and polyatomic molecule. What is that? What are they? Monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, and polyatomic molecule. Is it clear? Monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, and polyatomic molecule. Okay, monoatomic. Mono means one. Okay, one atom is present in one molecule is called monoatomic molecule. Okay, one atom. Monoatomic contain only one atom. Monoatomic contain only one atom. For example, helium. Example of monoatomic molecule, helium. Symbol of helium, He. Symbol of potassium, K. Symbol of sodium, Na. Okay, so monoatomic molecules that means which contain only one atom. That type of molecule is called monoatomic molecule. Is it clear? So examples of monoatomic molecules are helium, sodium, potassium. Is it clear now? Then second one, diatomic molecule. So di means two. So which contain two atom? Molecule contain two atom. Mainly gaseous compounds are diatomic molecule. For example, hydrogen. Hydrogen atom combine to form hydrogen molecules. It is a diatomic molecule. Nitrogen is a diatomic molecule. Okay, oxygen is a diatomic molecule. Okay, then fluorine is a diatomic molecule. Chlorine, Cl. Chlorine is a diatomic molecule. Okay, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are diatomic molecules. Is it clear now? Molecules which contain two atoms, they are called diatomic molecule. So example of diatomic molecules are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine. Okay, these are the examples of diatomic molecule. So what is triatomic molecule? Triatomic molecules. Try to say, what is triatomic molecule? Tri means three. Okay, tri means three. So how we can say the triatomic molecule? Yes, triatomic molecules contain three atoms. Okay, triatomic molecule contain three atoms. Example of triatomic molecule, ozone. Example of triatomic molecule, ozone. What is the formula of ozone? O3. Three oxygen atom combined to form O3. That is an example of triatomic molecule. Is it clear? Is it clear now? So next one, polyatomic molecule. Poly means many. Okay, poly means more than three atom. More than three atom is called polyatomic molecules. What is polyatomic molecules? More than three atoms. More than three atom is called polyatomic molecule. Example of polyatomic molecules means phosphorus, P4. Phosphorus. example of polyatomic molecule. Phosphorus, that is P4. Sulfur is S8. Sulfur is S8. Is it clear? No. Monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, polyatomic molecules. So monoatomic molecule, example of monoatomic molecule, helium, neon, sodium, potassium, calcium. Okay, these are the example of monoatomic molecule. Example of diatomic molecule, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, fluorine. These are the example of diatomic molecule. Then triatomic molecule. Triatomic molecule, ozone. Polyatomic molecule, phosphorus and sulfur. Is it clear now? So what is atomicity? Atomicity, number of atoms present in molecule of an element. That is called atomicity. Or element in the molecule എത്ര atom present ഉണ്ട് അതാണ് അതിന്റെ atomicity എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So atomicity means number of atoms present in molecule of an element. Number of atoms present in molecule of an element is called atomicity. Dear children, please say what is the difference between 2H and H2? What is the difference between, or what do you mean by 2H and H2? Okay, 2H. 2H means hydrogen atom. H means hydrogen atom. How many hydrogen is there? How many hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen is there. That is 2 atoms of hydrogen. Okay, 2H means 2 atoms of hydrogen. If I write here 3H, that means 3 atoms of hydrogen. Okay, 4O, that means 4 atoms of oxygen. 4 atoms of oxygen. Is it clear? So, what do you mean by H2? H2. I told hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom, combine 2 hydrogen atom, combine to form hydrogen molecule. That is 1 molecule of hydrogen. 1 molecule of hydrogen is the H2 means 1 molecule of hydrogen. So what is this? 2H2. 2H2 means 2 molecule of hydrogen. Okay, 2 molecule of hydrogen. What is this? What do you mean by 3 molecules of hydrogen? Is it clear? 3H means 3 atoms of hydrogen. 3H2 means 3 molecules of hydrogen. Is it clear now? So, what do you mean by, or what is the difference between 2O2 and 2O? 2O2 and 2O. Here, oxygen molecule O2 is a diatomic molecule. O2 is a diatomic molecules. Okay, O2 is a diatomic molecules. How many diatomic molecule of oxygen is there? 2. So we can say 2 molecule of oxygen. 2 molecule of oxygen is there. Then what is 2O? That is 2 atom of oxygen. 2 atom of oxygen. Dear children, next one question I'm giving, that is state the number of atoms. State the number of atoms present in H2SO4. State the number of atoms. State the number of atoms present in H2SO4. That is, this is an atom. Hydrogen is an atom. Sulfur is an atom. Oxygen is an atom. Okay. So, hydrogen atom. How many hydrogen atom is there? 2 hydrogen atom is there. How many sulfur atom is there? 1 sulfur atom. How many oxygen atom? 4 oxygen atom. Is it clear? No? Very simple. Okay, I will give this equation. Then you can find out no number of atoms. Okay, one more example. State the number of atoms present in HNO3. State the number of atoms present in HNO3. Okay, how many? Which are the atoms is there? Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. So, how many hydrogen atom? 1. Okay, but that is a 1. Okay, how many nitrogen atom? 1. How many oxygen atom? 3. Okay. Then one more example. C6 H12O6. State the number of atoms. Okay. So, which are the atoms? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Number of atoms present. Carbon number 6, hydrogen 12, oxygen 6. This is the answer. Very simple. Okay. Study very well. Next, very important topic. How to write molecular formula of compounds. Okay, how to write molecular formula of compounds. Okay, important ആണ്, മസ്റ്റ് ടൈം പഠിച്ചിരിക്കണം. ഇത് നമ്മൾ ടേബിൾ പഠിക്കുന്നത് പോലെ അവരുടെ വാലൻസീസ് പഠിക്കണം. ദിസ് ഈസ് ബൈ ഹാർട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നീഡഡ് ടു ബൈ ഹാർട്ട് ദാറ്റ് പോർഷൻസ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 10th കഴിഞ്ഞും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഒരു കാര്യമാണിത്. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ കെമിസ്ട്രിയിൽ മെയിൻ. So dear children, study very well. Write and study at least 2 times valency and symbols you write and study. Okay, daily. Okay, this class I will tell the valencies of the elements. Next class I will teach you how to write the molecular formula of compounds. Okay, so first 20 elements valency we can study very easily. Okay, no problem that. Other valency little difficult, little tough. You just every day, daily you read it and 2 or 3 times you write and study. Okay. So ha, he, this is the code only. Okay, ha, he, li, bep, k, nof, ne, na, mag, al, namagal, sip, klar, ka, ka. Okay, this is the symbol also. Ha, he, libek, nof, ne, namakal, sips, klar, kaka. Okay, say with me. Ha, he, libek, nof, ne, namakal, sips, klar, kaka. Okay, ha, hydrogen. He, helium. Li, lithium. Be, beryllium. B, boron. K, carbon. Nof, here nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Nof, ne, neon. Namagal, namagal, na, sodium. Mag, magnesium. Al, aluminium. Sips, clar, sips, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, clar. Chlorine, argon, kaka. Potassium, calcium. Potassium, calcium. Symbol also must you study. Okay, is it clear? No, there is no excuse. Symbol needed to study. Then we can write the valencies. Okay, next year plus or minus കൂടി നമ്മൾ ഇതിൽ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പഠിക്കും. വാലൻസീസ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഇയറിൽ നിങ്ങളെ കുറിച്ച് ആ നമ്പർ, വാലൻസിയുടെ നമ്പർ മാത്രമാണ് പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇയർ പ്ലസും മൈനസും നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കണം. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഈ ആദ്യം കിടക്കുന്നതിനെ നമുക്ക് 1 എന്ന് വാലൻസി കൊടുക്കാം. സോ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ, ലിഥിയം, സോഡിയം, പൊട്ടാഷ്യം വാലൻസി 1. ഓക്കെ, ഹൈഡ്രജൻ വാലൻസി 1, ലിഥിയം വാലൻസി 1, സോഡിയം വാലൻസി 1, പൊട്ടാഷ്യം വാലൻസി 1. Then beryllium, magnesium, calcium valency 2. Beryllium valency 2, magnesium valency 2, calcium valency also 2. Okay, so first hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium valency 1. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium valency 2. Then boron, aluminium, valency 3. Okay, boron, aluminium, valency 3. Boron valency 3, aluminium valency also 3. Then carbon silicon valency 4. Carbon valency 4, silicon valency also 4. Then reverse order. നമ്മൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് forward or next reverse order. 4. Nitrogen phosphorus valency 3. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ വരെ വന്നു, പിന്നെ അവിടുന്ന് റിവേഴ്സിലേക്ക് പോവാണ്, ഡിസെൻഡിങ് ഓർഡറിൽ വീണ്ടും പോവാണ്. സോ നൈട്രജൻ ഫോസ്ഫറസ് വാലൻസി 3. നൈട്രജൻ ഫോസ്ഫറസ് വാലൻസി 3. ഓക്കെ, ഓക്സിജൻ സൾഫർ വാലൻസി 2. Oxygen valency 2, sulfur valency also 2. Then fluorine chlorine valency 1. Fluorine valency 1, chlorine valency 1. Helium neon argon valency 0. Helium neon argon valency 0. Is it clear? No. So hydrogen lithium sodium potassium valency 1. Beryllium magnesium calcium valency 2. Boron aluminium valency 3. Carbon silicon valency 4. Nitrogen phosphorus valency 3. Oxygen sulfur valency 2. Fluorine chlorine valency 1. Helium neon argon valency 0. Some more elements valencies needed to study, that I am going to tell. Dear children, write and study. Okay, so zinc symbol Zn. Zinc Zn, its valency 2. Zinc Zn, its valency 2. Then manganese Mn, its valency 2. Manganese valency 2. Okay, carbonate CO3. Dear children, you write the carbonate. Okay, carbonate CO3. Carbonate CO3, its valency 2. Okay, then sulfate. Sulfate SO4. Sulfate SO4, its valency 2. Sulfate SO4, its valency 2. Then nitrate. Nitrate NO3, its valency 1. Nitrate NO3, its valency 1. Okay, so the next hydroxide. Hydroxide, that is hydroxide group, that is OH group, its valency 1. Hydroxide, that is hydroxyl, its valency 1, its formula OH. Is it clear? So zinc 2, manganese 2, carbonate 2, sulfate 2, nitrate 1, hydroxide 1. Carbonate means CO3. Sulfate is SO4. Nitrate is NO3. Hydroxide is OH. Is it clear? Clear? No. Then ammonium. Ammonium. Ammonium is NH4. Ammonium. UIUM. Okay. Ammonium. IUM. Its valence formula is NH4. Its valency 1. Ammonium NH4. Its valency 1. Ammonium. Okay. 4NH4 valency 1. Then here carbonate valency 2. Bicarbonate. Bicarbonate. So bi means hydrogen is present. H, carbonate is CO3. Okay, carbonate CO3. Its valency 2. Listen here, bicarbonate. Bi means hydrogen present there. So H, carbonate is CO3. Okay, കാർബണേറ്റിൽ 2 ആണ് വാലൻസി എങ്കിൽ ബൈകാർബണേറ്റിൽ ആര് കൂടുതലാണ്? ഹൈഡ്രജൻ കൂടുതലാണ്. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് വാലൻസി 1. ഓക്കെ, Is it clear now? So sulfate valency 2. Okay, so bisulfate by means I told hydrogen is there, hydrogen. Sulfate is SO4. Okay, so sulfate valency 2. So bisulfate hydrogen is extra is there, so its valency, bisulfate valency is 1. Is it clear? Clear, dear children? So dear children, study these valencies of some elements. Clear? No? Very, very important. You must study that. Okay. Thank you, dear children. Study very well. Okay.